Hi guys, welcome back to Flora Fun and Food. My name is Lauren and today I'm going to show you how I made two different infused vinegar cleaners. One is lavender and one is rosemary lemon. Let's go. First step was to peel 2 lemons. I'm using 2 half-gallon mason jars to make this just because I had so much rosemary. So I just wanted the peel, not the flesh or the juice. So I added the peel of 1 lemon to 1 jar and the peel of another lemon to another jar. And then this is the rosemary from my garden that I air dried. I have so much rosemary, I decided to put 4 long sprigs of rosemary per jar. And once I added that, it was ready for the vinegar. So I stuffed everything in there and it already smelled super good. And then I just filled the jar with white distilled vinegar. And you want to make sure that you use plastic caps because metal can kind of corrode with the vinegar. So next up I did lavender. I did about 2 cups of lavender buds and then again topped it off with white distilled vinegar. I loved this one because it changed color. The lavender buds had a lot of air in them, so I shook it and then topped it off just to fill it, and you can see it starts getting really dark. After 2 weeks sitting on the shelf, I emptied these into a jar or a measuring cup. I ran out of cheesecloth, but I used this kind of reusable paper towel type thing, and it worked really well to kind of just sieve out all those little tiny pieces. So I had to do a couple of them twice, but it worked really, really well. Cheesecloth would work just fine. And then it was time to fill my little jars and make sure they didn't have dog hair on them. So you fill each jar halfway. This was the rosemary and lemon. You only want to fill them halfway because right now it's just straight vinegar, and that's really, really strong. So only halfway with vinegar, and then we're going to go in and fill the other half with filtered water. This will dilute the vinegar down and make it smell a little less pungent, but vinegar is a natural antibacterial. It is a cleaner that has been used for forever, so I know that this will clean things, and it's just a little more natural than some of the harsh chemicals. Last step was to get my spray tops on my bottles, and these are now ready to give as gifts. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and head over to my channel to subscribe for more content like this, and I hope to see you again very soon. Thanks guys, bye.